everyone!
Welcome to our live video today.
Yes, I'm Chinling.
And I'm Ming Shen.
Yes, today we are here at Car Free Sunday.
Yeah, Car Free Sunday.
Yeah, so today, right, you can see we have all our CarryMe here. So we have brought like full series, so it's like full house here. We have all the colors, and we also have the CarryAll, which is a tricycle. So later we'll go through with every one of you, like one by one, like what color and what series do we have here.
Yeah,
so,
and now it's still early because now it's only 9, so you all have until about 11:30 to come down to do a test ride of our CarryMe bikes over here.
Yes.
So if you couldn't make it today, you can also come down to our store. Our store we also have CarryMe bikes, demo bikes for you to do a test ride.
Yes. So if you happen to be around this area or you're on the way here, you can come to our booth, and we are nearer to the National Gallery. You can come and test ride the CarryMe, and like Mission said, if you like miss this bike expo today, you can also come to our store at Mighty Velo to test ride. And of course, recently we just launched our CarryMe web store. So if you want to know more about like what series do we have, or after watching this live video, right, you want to buy, you can go to our online store at pacificcarryme.com.
Yeah, so the website is designed by Jimmy and our designers over here. Yeah, so you can have a look. It's a very great website with very nice designs.
Okay, so maybe we start with...
We show them the color first, yeah.
Yeah, the color first. Okay, come. And so maybe we start from where?
We can start from the end.
Yeah, the end, no?
So, sorry, you can do a close-up.
Okay, so here we have our classic series. So it's in these 3 different colors. So we have the electric blue, we have the forest green, and then we also have the crimson red, which is here folded like this.
And this is how it looks like when it's fully unfolded.
And all our CarryMe colors are custom made. That means it's uniquely only for us. So we have the classic series, which have like this like shimmer finishing.
Like a glossy finish?
Yeah, glossy and shimmer finishing.
And the bike itself also will come with a kit stand. So you don't need to purchase an additional kit stand because it really comes with it really. So you can let it park this way.
Yes.
And the bike itself also comes with a front bell.
Yeah, which is very loud. And then other than that, we'll go to our next series. So other than classic series, we also have the Brilliant series. So in Brilliant series, we have our Amber Orange, and we have Lime Green, and we also have another one which is the Sky Blue, which Junjie is holding on it over there. And other than the Brilliant series, we also have the Earth series. So Earth series consists of the matte color series. So we have the khaki brown over here. So maybe sorry, you want to come closer? So we have our khaki brown here, and we also have slate grey.
Yeah, so this is a very special bike. If you can see from the one beside Chilling and this one, this is a 3-wheelers bike. So this is good for stability. If you are not good at riding bikes with a 2-wheelers, right, you can start off with riding a 3-wheelers. It can help you stable a lot.
Yeah, so for the Earth series, right, we have khaki brown, slate grey, and we also have aquamarine green, which is over there as Sadiq is holding on it. And for the CarryAll, which is the 3-wheeler, comes with 2 different colors, which is the slate grey and khaki brown.
Khaki.
Yeah, so if you wish to like test ride, or if you happen to be around this area, you can come by and try on the CarryMe. So maybe we can talk about the specification of CarryMe.
Oh yes, that's very important.
Okay, so Mission will talk about it.
So this is a 1 single speed bike. Probably this is one of the lightest folding bikes in the market. It only weighs about 8.4 kg. You can even hold it with 1 single hand, no issue.
Yes.
And if you can compare the folding wise, right? Do you have one folded? Yeah. When it's folded up, right, it's very compact. It's vertically up.
So it's super ultra compact and light.
So a car boat can easily fit about 3 to 4 of these folding bikes really.
Yes.
Okay. Then
Other than that, it weighs 8.5 kg and single
correct.
speed.
And the bike can support up to 100 kg weight load.
And then the material of this bike is made of aluminium.
Yeah, that has been why it's very light. It weighs only 8.4 kg.
So right, you can actually, because you know this is folded version. Later we'll demo to you how to fold the CarryMe bike. And this one also comes with, we have a hard case that's available to purchase, so you can travel around the world with CarryMe. It's super easy. Just have to like fold it, then pack them into the travel hard case, which I mean probably 5 minutes in total. You can do everything.
Yeah. Because we have a lot of customers, they bring their bikes overseas to cycle. So this is a perfect solution for customers who want to travel and have a luggage that you can mount on the bike and ride with it. Yeah, so maybe you can show the viewers the travel hard case.
Yes. Okay, so
maybe
maybe we'll demo how to like use the travel hard case and the trailer kit. So maybe Ming Shun can demo how to unfold the bike first.
Yeah. So maybe Sari can come over here.
Maybe we can go over there. Okay, for those viewers who have just joined us, we are here at Car Free Sunday and we'll be here from now till 11:30 a.m. So if you are around this area or you are coming down to this area, you can come and test ride the CarryMe. We have our full series here today. And then this is our first Car Free Sunday. Yeah, so Ming Shun, show everyone how to unfold like super fast.
Yeah, so
no, not super fast, but steadily.
Yeah, I'll do a slow one so that the viewers will understand how the folding and unfolding is done. Okay, so just loosen the latch over here. Lift on the handlebar, push it outwards. Tighten with the latch over here. Okay, then loosen the seat post clamp, lift out the saddle, pull this outwards all the way down, and then you clip on, tighten with the clamp over here. And the good thing about this CarryMe bike is that the pedal is foldable, so you can just push this up and it's unfold. Same for the other side as well. Okay, then there's a small latch in front of the front wheel. Push it inwards, then slide it outwards this way. Hold the handle, and the seat post, push it down this way.
Yeah,
then the last thing you need to do is just basically to tighten up the knobs over here. Yep, then it's done.
Then it's done, yay!
Yeah. So if you are familiar with the folding and unfolding, right, easily you can do it within like 8 to 10 seconds. Yeah, it's quite fast.
I can also do it. So it's super light.
8.4
kg. And then it's an 8-inch wheel.
Okay.
So other than that, it comes with a hard case, which is for you to pack your CarryMe inside, so you can travel around with CarryMe. Like if you're having a bike tour or something.
Yeah, so this is a travel hard case. What's so unique about this travel hard case is that a lot of our luggage, right, is wider. So this is specially made for a CarryMe bike because it needs to be slim and long this way, so that when you're riding a bike, it won't knock into the hard case. So this design is very special.
Yeah, super compact.
Yeah, so I'll teach you how to mount it. So that's the catch over here. So this portion here, maybe Sari, you want to do a close-up? So you just need to attach to the seat post over here. Put this in. And tighten with the clamp over here. Just make it more tight.
So Ming Shun is making it tighter. Yeah. So like these steps, right? You can do it easily within 2 minutes just to install the trailer kit onto your hard case or travel case. So now it's done.
Yeah, then after that, if you want to travel, all your your clothes, your cap, your helmets, or everything, you can just put inside the luggage and you can just ride off it.
You won't have to leave your luggage behind at the hotel. You can just bring your luggage along with you if you're going for a bike tour.
Yeah.
So this will be a perfect choice for you.
So literally, you are going from point A to point B without leaving anything behind. Yeah, so it's very convenient.
It's like like every step is very convenient. So maybe later Misha will demo to you like how to cycle with this trailer kit. It looks like it's difficult, but actually it's not. So if you want to try, you can come down to Car Free Sunday now and test ride the CarryMe. So now maybe you can adjust a bit, then you can show them. Okay, Misha is all ready. Okay, I kick the kickstand out.
Okay, so yeah, I can do a test ride for them to have a look.
Yeah. So Mission, show everyone how you can do it easily and super, like you know, really very easy.
Yeah, hold on, because there's a lot of bicycle around. Yeah, so you also have to look out for bicycle behind you. Okay.
Okay, so there's Mission go. Okay, Mission go了.
You see how easy to move this thing around? It's very convenient.
So Mission is going to do a turn. Whoa, seamlessly. Coming back. Okay, so Misha is coming back and maybe Sari can pan over here. We actually have a launch promotion for the CarryMe bike. So we have a banner over here. Come. So I will show. So just now Misha was cycling the CarryMe together with the hard case and trailer kit. So we have a launch promotion for the bike and travel case, which is at 1499, and it comes with 3 free gifts, which is the Ashland front and rear light and the CarryMe dust cover. So for this promotion, if you want to add on the trailer kit, then you can get it at 210 because we have a purchase with purchase discount, which is 25% off any CarryMe bike accessories. Yep. So other than the bike with travel case, we also have the CarryMe only. So the CarryMe will be going at 1099, and it also comes with 3 free gifts. The usual price for the CarryMe is 1250. So now we are having a launch price for this.
This is a very good choice if you just plan to use it for normal commute for work and you're not planning to travel around. So probably you can just purchase a bike and get this free gift as well. Yeah, only at 1099. And it comes with different color choices that you can choose from.
Yes. So 9 different colors: aquamarine green, khaki brown, and slate grey, which is the matte series. We have the classic series, which is electric blue, crimson red, and forest green. We also have the brilliant series, which is the sky blue, lime green, and amber orange. So you can see if you like matte, that kind like low-key color, then you can go for the earth series. If you like bright and vivid color, you can go for the brilliant series. And of course, if you like those subtle classic colors, you can go for the classic series. So we have 9 different colors for you to choose from. Definitely find one bike color that you like. So other than that, we also have the CarryAll.
Yeah, this is a very good choice if you are not someone who very good at cycling with 2-wheelers. This one is a 3-wheelers CarryMe all bikes. Or if you plan to purchase it for your elderly parents, then this is definitely a good choice for them.
Yeah, I recently just let my ama test ride on this. So she really likes it because my grandma, she don't know how to ride a bicycle. So she finally found one bike which is a 3-wheeler that she can ride easily and safely.
Yeah, then the good thing is that when you sit on the bicycle for this CarryAll, right, you don't even need to come down from the bicycle. Unlike the 2-wheelers, one of your legs you have to basically put on the floor.
Yes.
But for this one, you can literally stand on the pedal and not coming down at all.
Yeah, so this one comes with 2 different colors, which is slate grey and khaki brown, and also comes with 2 free gifts, which is the light Ashland front and rear light. Yeah, so pricing is 1299.
1299.
Yeah, usual is 1550. So maybe we can look into the CarryAll. So it's a 3-wheeler, and then of course it can also fold into super compact. I think in the market, I can say this is the only foldable 3-wheeler tricycle lah. So maybe I demo lah. Okay. So I demo, we can see.
You can do the folding, definitely the rest of
we're
you
not
can
talking
do
about speed. We're just saying that it's actually easy to do it. Front step, there's a lock over here. Second step, and then release your seat post, lock it, tighten it. Then other than that, the handlebar, put it down, lock it, and then last thing is the
folding pedal.
So pedal also foldable. Okay.
Yep, then
You're
that's it.
done.
Yeah,
So
if you are not very familiar with the folding and unfolding, right, when you come down to our store to purchase, right, our retailers will teach you how to do the folding and
yeah, we'll
unfolding.
teach you how to use this bike, and then you can see it's foldable, so it's like easy to store. So you can keep at your house, inside your house. You can keep in the storeroom, and then it's
And-
also easy to roll.
Another thing about the CarryAll is that it has a very large base, so it's very stable and doesn't shake very wobbly. Yeah, it's very stable.
So I mean, like there's a few ways to roll this bike. You can roll it like this, you know, like you're going shopping, right? The push cart, or you can roll it at the back. It's actually super easy to roll, not difficult at all. Why? Because it's a wider base, so there's no balancing required. You can just use it one hand, roll, right, and stop. Yeah, you can also bring it to train station. Like if you want to bring to like train, or maybe by
bus also
MRT
can.
or bus, or you put inside a car boot. I tried before already. Yes.
issue.
So it can fit inside a car boot.
Yeah, and another thing is that a lot of our existing Brompton customers, right, they have bikes that they hardly use, then they want to ask for a trade-in, then after that maybe they can trade for to CarryMe so that their kids or their wife can use it.
Yes, we have our trade-in program now. So
correct.
maybe Sari can come over. We have our banner here. So we have a trade-in offers for Brompton bike. So for our customers that have been like wanting to trade in your Brompton, now we have it. So you can bring in your Brompton. So it's like one Brompton to two CarryMe.
Correct.
Yeah. So and one Brompton, CarryMe, one travel hard case, and one trailer kit.
Old CarryMe, right, and you want to do a trade, new CarryMe also can. That's possible. So that will be under the option C, but you
Yeah.
have to make a top up, which is
625. Yeah. So you just top up 625 with your old CarryMe, and you can get a new CarryMe with new colors. Yeah.
Yeah, so if you have like your car keys, your buddy or your kids, right, want to cycle together but you only have one bike, I think this is a very good option. You can train for two bikes.
So, of course, other than all this promotion, if you wanted to know more about CarryMe and like to see like how to use it, there's a few ways. So first thing, of course, you can come to our store and have a look at the bike. And the second thing is you can also go to our web store, which is pacificcarryme.com. And then all our bike colors, accessories, and we have a lot of photos inside. So you can go in and see and have a look.
Yeah, then if you are free today, then I think today is the best time. It's a good weather for them to come down to do a test ride because we have the whole range of CarryMe bike for them to do a test ride.
Yes.
And also a bigger area, so
Yes.
they can have a longer stretch of test riding area.
Yes. So other than that, that's all for
Is there
today.
any comments?
Yeah, is it no comments?
No comments. Okay, if you have any comments or any inquiries that you have any doubts, you can also PM us or call us to our store or email to us also can. Then we can
Yeah.
try to answer you through online.
Yes. And that's
Okay.
all for
Yeah,
today's
so
live
that's
video.
all today.
Yes. So
Yeah.
we'll see you in the next live video.
Okay,
Okay, bye-bye.
bye-bye.